Hello fellow travelers and welcome. I am so glad you're joining us here at Top 10 Cents as we start a journey to find the real heart of Switzerland, its wonderful villages. We're going to look at 3 of the most amazing villages. Each one shows a different part of Swiss life, has views that will take your breath away, and offers experiences you won't forget. So bring your curiosity and get ready for a fun tour. Switzerland is a country with tall mountains, clear lakes, and super charming villages that look like they came right out of a storybook. In this video, we're not just going to show you pretty pictures. We're going to give you tips to make your trip really special. We'll talk about how to get to these places, where you might like to stay, and even introduce you to some friendly local people who show how warm and welcoming Swiss people are. Get ready to be amazed by beautiful mountain views, walk through streets where no cars are allowed, and hear the soft sound of cowbells in the valleys. We'll explore places where the air is fresh, old traditions are still alive, and every view looks like a picture postcard. From the famous Matterhorn mountain to valleys with lots of waterfalls, these villages are like doors to experiences that you'll remember long after you go home. Let's get started on our trip to see these Swiss villages. Our first stop is the world-famous village of Zermatt, tucked right at the bottom of the famous Matterhorn mountain. No cars are allowed, only horse-drawn carriages and electric taxis. The Matterhorn is one of the most photographed mountains in the world. Whether at sunrise or under a starry sky, it's a sight to behold. Zermatt is also a haven for climbers, skiers and hikers. The journey to Zermatt is an adventure, usually by train from Visp. The views get more amazing as the train climbs the mountain. Next, we travel to a place that looks like it came out of a fairy tale, Lauterbrunnen. This village is in one of the most amazing valleys in the Alps. It has huge rock walls on each side and, like its name says, it's famous for its 72 powerful waterfalls. The size of everything here is just incredible. When you arrive, the first thing you will probably see is Staubach Falls. It's one of the highest waterfalls in Europe that falls freely, dropping almost 300 meters down a steep cliff right near the village. The valley itself is bright green with traditional Swiss houses, and the air often has a soft mist from all the waterfalls. It's a perfect place for people who like to walk, take pictures, or just enjoy the strong and beautiful parts of nature. To really feel the local culture, I suggest finding a place to stay that feels personal. I remember meeting Heidi, a very friendly local woman who has a cozy little hotel with a wonderful view. Her kindness and welcome were just as memorable as the views. For a stay with an amazing view right in the village, you could try the Hotel Staubach. Getting to Lauterbrunnen is easy, and like many trips in Switzerland, the views on the way are beautiful. When the train arrives at Lauterbrunnen station, you will already feel the special feeling of this place full of waterfalls. Chapter 3: Grindelwald. Adventure beneath the mighty Eiger. Grindelwald, a dream for outdoor lovers, lies beneath the mighty Eiger. Its famous north face is legendary. The village is bustling with activities. Every mountain and glacier calls you to adventure. The views are simply amazing. A lively mountain resort with a powerful backdrop. Start your adventure here with hiking, cable cars and more. From gentle walks to thrilling paragliding, Grindelwald has it all. Meet local guides like Clara for expert trails. Clara knows the best views and safest paths. Her knowledge is invaluable. Rest in cozy lodges after your adventures. Hotel Belvedere offers comfort and stunning views. It's above the village with wide views of the Eiger. Reach Grindelwald by train from Interlaken. Feel the mountain energy as you arrive. Our tour of Zermatt, Lauterbrunnen and Grindelwald is over. What a trip! From the Matterhorn to the Valley of Waterfalls and the Eiger. Each village has its own charm and warm welcome. I hope this guide helps you plan your Swiss adventure. Switzerland gives back to curious travelers. The best parts of travel are often surprises. Connect with nature, history, and local culture. Whether for adventure or tranquility, you'll find it here. Start planning that perfect trip. The Swiss Alps are waiting for you. Thanks for joining us at Top 10 Cents. We love sharing our love for travel with you. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more travel tips. Until next time, keep on traveling. Goodbye for now.